Happy Wednesday. I miss y'all so much. I skipped one day for vlogmas. I'm so sorry. I failed one day because I was gonna do a video, but yesterday I was with my man and I don't really spend time with him like that. So I wanted to do a quick video yesterday, but I didn't want to rush it, so it will be bad if I rushed it. So I don't want to give you guys like a horrible video because I know I could do better. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe down below and also leave a like in this video and leave a comment videos you guys want to see. So leave a comment down below. Today's video is gonna be like 50 ideas of a gift guide for like to give someone for Christmas. Hopefully this can help you guys out. 50 listed in here, so there will be a lot for you guys. One for electronics is a MacBook Pro. Number 2, Dr. Dre headphones. It can be solo or the big ones. Number 3, phone cases. I don't know if that relates to technology, but I think it relates to it. You know, iPad, Apple Watch, PS4 bundle, camera. It can be like an expensive camera or G7X camera because it's not like super expensive, but it's in a good range.
I've been wanting that as well for Christmas, like for a very long time.
Tripods, speakers. Give your parents like coffee mugs or the new coffee maker, or this one right here. It can do anything like chocolates or anything like that. iPads with the pen, the gaming chairs. For makeup, I put Jeffree Star Cosmetics at the conspiracy palette as a wish list in my mind too, but as also a gift idea for someone that loves this stuff. The mini palette, because I like to bundle it up, to match it. Sephora collection Moschino palette, Sephora Pro tutorial palette, Violet Voss Sugar Crystal, and they're actually on sale right now, which is super cool. And then the Violet Voss Best Life eyeshadow palette is also on sale. Too Faced gingerbread palette, Huda Beauty Mercury Retro, that palette right there. Really, Victoria's Secret perfumes, fragrances, lotions, cologne, whether lipstick, that beauty stuff too. Melt Cosmetics is also a very popular brand. Natasha Denona, Pat McGrath, Tarte Cosmetics, or Urban Decay. If they like Morphe Cosmetics, Colourpop, eyeshadow palettes. Honestly, you can either give them all of this stuff. For example, for clothing section, I chose give to someone like what they like. There's always a lot of categories for like clothing. There's like Lululemon's, North Face, Nike, Adidas, Macy's, because Macy's has everything. Vans, Uggs, or scarves. A lot of tops, like cute cardigans people love. Leggings, like cute fuzzy socks. For accessories, like scrunchies, headbands, hair clips, brushes, like makeup brushes. Oh, that's for the makeup aisle, but yeah. Hair styling stuff, Lululemon leggings. Oh, for electronics, earpods. Oh, for makeup, false lashes too, I forgot. For jewelry, you can also do Pandora jewelry related, like whether it's necklace, charm bracelets, earrings, rings, or for Macy's jewelry as well. They have Juicy Couture, Coach, Michael Kors has a lot of jewelry. Accessories with purses too.
Michael Kors purses, totes, clutches, or Louis Vuitton if you're that bougie.
Yes. Gucci if you're that bougie. Room decor, I always suggest just have like a new bed sheet for a new year because it's just a new refresh of your room and vibe. For electronics, Polaroid, DVD thing, I'm gonna put it right here, but it's good to have as well to give to someone if they love music and dance. Things that you hang on the wall, like picture frames, a shoe rack sometimes. Like I like to decorate my room. I don't know about you. A clothing rack is good to have as well. Cute rug, a picture frame, a dresser, a ring light, but that's for like technology. Ring light, if you guys are into video, ring lights are good to have as well. Try like those cute very like lights and stuff like that. This is what I put right here. These are all of my like gift ideas to give somebody. If you go to Marshall's, you'll see so many stuff. Those are my gift ideas for Christmas to give someone. Thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.